Hello, in this video I will show you how you can change slow motion speed in camera on POCO F7. So first of all you have to open the camera and from here go to video. Now swipe up and go to slow motion, and from here you can change resolution in the top right corner and also frames per second. So open the frames per second settings, and here you can set like 960 fps. Okay. And this is the best looking and the slowest from these options. But the catch is you can only take like 3 seconds long video. But this is the best looking options from there. Also, for example, 120 fps, you can make whatever you want longer video with no time limit, but the effect is much worse than 960 fps in this option. So this is how it works. Like basically that's all. You can change the like slow motion speed by using these features here. So thanks for watching and subscribe to this channel.